The crew was out filming a large, white-throated monitor lizard when we came across a beautiful brown and tan snake.
Poor rattlesnake. Looks like its rattles fell off.
This isn't a rattlesnake, silly. This is a good example of a gopher snake mimicking a rattlesnake.
This is amazing.
Do you remember when our crew filmed rattlesnakes up close and personal? Rodents are eaten by snakes, snakes are eaten by lizards, the great circle of life.
Ouch! Oh my god, the damn thing bit me.
We're not sure why.
Who'd think getting bit by a rattlesnake would hurt so much?
He's coiled in an S pattern characteristic of a rattlesnake, a defensive stance.
Oh my god, look at this! He caught 2 rats!
Amazing! This gopher snake caught 2 rodents.
Man, snakes are super good mousers. He's better than my cat.
They're excellent predators. The monitor lizard came out of nowhere and lunged forward.
Oh my god, he's swallowing its tail first!
This is incredible!
Hey guys, I can see the snake moving around inside.
He's eating it tail first!
Every time Dino opens his mouth, the snake tries to slither out!
Amazing! This gopher snake caught 2 rodents.
Oh my god, he's swallowing its tail first!
This is incredible! Monitor lizard came out of nowhere.
How cool is that? The snake keeps trying to get away.
He's beautiful.
Go to the other side. Don't get into the shot, hun. Nope. Big lug. Great video. Oh my god, look at this thing, y'all. No, I don't want to get bit by the snake. It's still alive! I can see the snake moving around inside. Can you imagine being alive after all this? Even now he's trying to slither out. Oh my gosh! This is amazing! me. Man, I never would have believed this if I hadn't seen it. That was a big meal. Gorgeous.
From the snake's perspective, that was certainly a slow way to go. We would love for you to